Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall discuss with you about menstruation of chapter 20 menstruation. Today discuss some define. First define is rectilinear figure. Rectilinear figure. A plane figure which is made up of only line segments. A plane figure which is made up of only line segments is called rectilinear figure. Such as example triangle, rectangle, a square, etc. Now second term is closed figure. Closed figure, a figure which ends at the starting point. A figure which ends at the starting point is called closed figure. Such that closed figure, these are the example of closed figure. Next, three simple figure. Simple closed figure, a figure which does not intersect itself. A figure, a closed figure which does not intersect itself is called simple closed figure. Fourth term is perimeter. Perimeter, the length of the boundary of a plane figure is called its perimeter. The unit of perimeter, unit unit of perimeter is centimeter or meter. The length of boundary of a plane figure is called its perimeter. And fifth term for define is area. The measurement of region. The measurement of region enclosed by a plane figure. The measurement of region enclosed by a plane figure is called its area. The unit of area is centimeter square or square centimeter or meter square or a square meter. Now, some important unit of this chapter is units. First unit is 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. And second important unit is 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. And third, 1 air equal to 100 meter square. And fourth, 1 hectare equal to 10,000 meter square. Fifth, meter into 100 equal to centimeter. And 6, centimeter divided by 100 change into meter. 7, kilometer into 1000 change into meter. And 8, meter divided by 1000 equal to kilometer. Now 9 number, 1 air equal to 1000 meter. So air into 100 equal to meter square. 10 hectare into 10,000 equal to meter square. Write it. Now important formula. Formula. Students, first term is rectangle. Rectangle. The figure of rectangle is first side length and breadth, and its diagonal. A, B, C, D is a rectangle. Length, breadth and diagonal. First formula is perimeter of a rectangle. P equal to 2 into L plus B. Second, area of rectangle equal to length into breadth, L into B. 3, length equal to P by 2 minus B equal to A by B also, area by breadth. And formula number 4, breadth equal to P by 2 minus L equal to A by L. And fifth formula for rectangle is diagonal. Diagonal of rectangle. Under root length square plus breadth square. And sixth formula, area of 4 balls. Area of 4 balls. 2 into L plus B into H. Write it. Next group B is a square. A square. The figure of a square. Next term is square. The figure of a square, ABCD is a square. All sides are equal. So the side of a square is denoted by A. First formula, area equal to, perimeter equal to 4 into side equal to 4 into A. 2, area equal to side square, that means side into side, so A square. 3, diagonal equal to root 2 into A. So area of fourth में formula number 4, side equal to side of a square equal to P by 4. equal to under root area or diagonal by root 2. So area of a square equal to 1 by 2 into diagonal of square. Right? Students, today your homework is remember define and formula. Thank you. That's all.